If you could design your own handbag, what would it look like? If you had a tool to design every detail of your bag, what would you create? Get ready for Make a Bag. As the starting point of your own creation, you choose one of our 150 different bag designs to customize. The selection includes satchel, tote, crossbody, and many more. There are countless materials, surfaces, and colors available, ranging from real Italian leather to high-quality denim. All handbags are produced in our state-of-the-art production facility. Our experienced master handbag makers use the latest technologies to meet the highest quality standards. With Make a Bag, your choices of individualization are limitless. Discover our huge library of patterns and images and place them anywhere on your bag. Multiple images are possible, and you can even upload your own photos, pictures, or patterns. We take great care to accurately stitch and assemble your bag. Precise measurements are taken to ensure every design element is perfectly crafted, guaranteeing quality and durability. But being able to design the outside of your bag is not enough for us. We go even further and make the inside completely customizable as well. Add deeper meaning to your bag with pictures and personalized text. A variety of fonts and colors awaits you to stylize your message. Our powerful tool will help you create nicely styled words or complete texts. For an extraordinary feel, you can also add embossed letters and numbers. The effect is absolutely stunning and unique. Feel free to play around, get creative, and enjoy our easy-to-use app. A world of opportunity awaits right at your fingertips. The bag you have been dreaming of will finally come true. Every bag is unique and the possibilities are endless. Make your bag come true. Are you ready?